everyone, welcome back here to Canning Farms, and in today's video, if you don't mind the noisy neighbours there, me cattle go outside the ditch, and the fact it's raining, and the fact that I don't know the settings on the spreader, we're going to start off the video with me trying to put out a bit of clover. I've had these two bags here in the shed for, must be there 2 or 3 years, and I always said I'd get spreading it, but I never did. So we'll talk about the varieties when we get back and we're finished. I just want to get it out. But the reason I'm doing it now is because the ground is pretty bare after cutting the silage. I got a bit of fertilizer out there a few days ago, and it just came into my head there this morning, just get this out while the spreader's there. So we'll try it. I don't know the settings, I don't know anything. I've just gone to put it to as low as it can go, just above 0, so the holes are barely open, and I'm going to try and just get as much done as I can. It'll probably all end up in one spot like that James May and Top Gear where he just went to put the corn out. It had to be a certain weight. I don't know spreading rates, I don't know anything. I'm just trying to get the bags out and we'll see what happens. Basically we just wing it. So there are the seeds there. So as you can see, they're very small seeds, so tiny. So I just have the hole opened a little bit on the spreader. So I think I'm going to set it at, I don't know, that'll be 3. This is on a Vicon spreader, and fingers crossed, just wing it. That paddock in there done. There's about, I suppose, 3.5 acres in there, and then there's still I suppose maybe a bag of seed left, so maybe another acre in it. So get that out now. But yeah, setting it at that, and I'm just going 3rd gear high, maybe going about maybe 10 miles an hour, just spreading it out. See how it goes. So the cattle broke into the forest here, so I just have to fix this fence. That's done, but I'd say they'll be through it in about 5 to 10 minutes, straight through it, not a bother them, break everything. Okay, next job I have to do is have to clean up this machinery shed, because they're going to use this for presentations and stuff. So as you can see, it's a bit messy. So what I'm going to do is just clear out that corner, stick the turf in there so I can pull the trailer out when I want. Sweep the floors, put away everything that needs to be put away the sides of the trailers, clear all this side up, and then give the floor a good sweep. Start at the back, work my way forward, and then what we do is we head outside and we start clearing the yard. That's all the turf stacked. Well, you wouldn't think there was all that in the trailer, but there's about 150 bags there. So between that and the timber I've cut down in the laneway there, we should have enough for the winter. So now it's time to head towards the door. workbench finally finished. It's a long time since I've seen the top of that, but I made this a few years ago, and I made it out of a feeding barrier, so you can see there the feeding bits. So just cut the round bits and made legs out of them, and then just welded this, and then I had a bit of scaffolding board, so it came in awful handy, and you know, you don't have to worry about bashing it, right? Now that's a bit better, so we have everything ready and a bit of space made, so all the tools are put away, the turf is stacked. That means I can pull the trailer out for the presentations, and I can pull out that trailer and get right back there to where the bale feeders are, so there's loads of room there now, and floor swept and everything, so try and keep like that for the next week or two. And the next thing we're going to tackle into is the yard, because, well, it's a bit of a mess, so to hang all those gates, clear up all this rubbish, put them pallets back, gather up them bags from the spend of the day, gather up the straw that's coming out the doors, and that bit of silage over there that I opened up for the calves that time, get rid of that and get rid of all the crap around the yard now. So now that's a bit more presentable. I'll give it a sweep, I'll finish off along there now later on, and I'll give this a brush down and let the rain wash away the last bit of it. But that's just where I threw the straw after I cleaned it out of the machinery shed a couple of years ago, but it's all battered and tattered and everything, so whenever this shed is coming down, that'll be going into a big heap for composting. Just have to finish off the bit around the edges and hang the gates and that, and there's a bit of silage in front of the shed there, and a bit better now. Okay, that's the yard, a bit better than it was anyway, so we've all the stuff taken away from in there. All this dirt that was here, it's all cleared up. The dirt that was in front of that gate cleared up, around the bottom of the shed cleared. I've the inside the shed swept. It's still not awful clean, but it'll do. And then in front of here then, all the old silage that was there, so that's all done. So next job I'm going to do is plant these apple trees that are here and get them out of the way. I was supposed to do that a couple of months ago, but we'll plant them now anyway. Hopefully they'll survive. And then I have to do a bit of fencing, just that clip-X around there. There's some temporary fencing around there just to tidy it up a bit, and then we'll top that paddock out there and just take the dirty look off it. So we leave that there for today. Got the clover out, so we'll see how that gets on the next couple of weeks. And we had the first few of the farm walks in today, so they went well, so everything looked okay, and farm looked well, and we had the machinery shed cleared out and that. So we have more now in the next couple of weeks, probably the next 6 weeks. So I'll just leave it there for today. So hope you enjoyed, and we'll see you in the next one.